What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, now y'all already know how I do it, man. We get straight to it. I do not have a lot of time to waste, and I won't waste y'all time either. All right, so first things first, I want to let you guys know that everything on this channel, this video, previous videos, and videos to come is all educational purposes. This is not anything I'm telling you to do at all. It's just all educational purposes only, okay? A lot of things goes on in the world, and it's important if you want to know what's going on that you can know what's going on, okay? Now, today I want to talk to you guys about a management LLC, okay? I want to talk to you guys about a management LLC company. This is very, very, very important, okay? Now, regardless if you have one business or if you have multiple businesses, right? Now, if you're in any of my programs, you already know I'm gonna suggest you guys to run multiple businesses, all right? Even if you wanna run one LLC, you only really wanna have one thing that you wanna do, you still need to have multiple. You don't need to have multiple, but it's good to have multiple because even if you don't need 100,000, okay? Even if you don't need 100,000 to run your business, it's still okay to have 300,000. You feel me? Like, it's okay. It's okay to be prepared. It is okay not to wait for a hardship or for your business to need funding and you already have it. All right. It just comes with managing your businesses, your finances, and things like that. Okay. So I want to talk to you guys about the management LLC because your management LLC is basically the LLC that can literally help you run your business much smoother. How? Because you're already managing your LLCs, right? You guys know what managers are. So a management LLC is literally nothing different but an LLC that's used, or a business that's used by you to manage your other companies, okay? So if you got 2 or 3 LLCs, you can have these LLCs or those LLCs under one LLC. All right. Now, what this does is if you were to have a management company, okay, once again, you have to manage your businesses anyway. Okay. You have to. That's a job. Okay. You can hire somebody to do it. You can do it yourself. But what it does is, let's say I had a real estate business and I brung in $386,000 a month, okay? Or I'm sorry, not a month. Let's say I brung in $386,000 for the year, okay? Profit. Contrary to belief, I can literally send that money, okay, to my management company, all right? Tax free, all right? Tax free, okay? Because you get taxed based off of profit. All right, I tell you guys this all the time. Even when I'm doing my consultations, I tell you guys, you don't get taxed when you get loans. All right, you don't get taxed when you're putting money in life insurance. You don't get taxed when you're taking money out of life insurance. All right, different things like that. You're not taxed, okay? If you buy land and you have some agriculture or you're growing food, okay, those are a lot of things that can be a good tax deduction. Now, of course, that it varies, okay? So if you're in Detroit, probably not the best thing to do. But if you're somewhere in Texas, you're somewhere in Atlanta and things like that, that's what the South do, all right? So figure out ways, and you don't always have to be hands-on with things, but figure out ways to where you can make it happen, all right? You guys have way more resources around you than you think, okay? So having a separate management LLC is gonna benefit you because you have other LLCs below that you can literally send the money from the operating LLCs, okay? Because any LLC that you have that you're actively doing business in, that's an operating LLC, all right? That's why you need your operating agreement and all that good stuff, right? Okay, so once come tax time, that will definitely reduce your taxes, all right? You take the money from your operating LLCs and you send it to your management LLCs, okay? That's no profit. If you send the money, where's your profit? You're only taxed on profit, guys, all right? Now, I know it took a little while for me to make this video about, a way to avoid taxes in a sense. But, you got to wait for the right time for this stuff. You know what I mean? It doesn't really make sense for me to make a video like that in April, May. It makes more sense for me to make it around this time because, of course, I want you guys to be prepared. I want you guys to be prepared for the next year. Also, there's a lot of things coming up that they're doing. Of course, like if you got PPP loans and stuff like that, like you need different breaks to where if you need to pay different things or you need to get out of any jam, guys, or you just need to, increase your profits. You just need more money. The holidays are coming, guys. All right. I haven't been posting too many videos because, as you guys know, I've been talking to you guys about this for literally about a whole pregnancy now. All right. It's been 9 months. I'm telling you guys right now, we're in a recession. All this year, what have you been hearing? Recession speculation. All right, cool. Don't be so in tune with the speculation. Now is the time, and it's been the time, but now is the time to be buying up properties. Now is the time to be investing in crypto. Now is the time to literally be doing anything to generate money because most things are really, really cheap right now. Okay? Most things are really, really cheap right now. So another thing that will help you save on taxes is if you have real estate, okay, in particular, please, guys, do not have a LLC with 5, 6, 7 different properties under one LLC, okay? The reason why you don't want to do this is because you want to make life easier on yourself, all right? You want to make life easier on yourself. Now, when it comes time for taxes and it comes time to see what came in, what went out and things like that, you want everything to be separate. All right? Because it's going to take you way longer to go through and sort out what each expense, what each thing was to help on your taxes. All right? Now, when you got real estate or you got multiple properties, you literally, and I'm giving you guys a major gem right now, but you literally want to have a separate LLC for every single property that you have, okay? You want to have a separate LLC because when it comes time for taxes, please, guys, you want to make sure your things are in order, okay? You also want to make sure that you're not mixing in certain things. You might have an Airbnb over there, might have a rental over there, might have a fix and flip back there, all right? Now, why would you want all of those to go to the same place? Okay? No. We're going to do everything correctly. Not necessarily by the book, but we're definitely going to do everything correctly, right? Not to mention, the more LLCs you have, the more funding that you can get, okay? Because they're all separate entities. So you can literally be having multiple properties very easily. Very, very easily, okay? Now, of course, my links to everything is in the description. You can also contact me in the description. My phone number is available to whoever wants to use it. Please, guys, text me. All right? I wish I could take everybody's call. I wish I can, but I cannot. All right? If I have built no rapport with you, I have other clients. I have other people that I talk to. I have a real life. I got real businesses going on, right? So I can't always get to the phone, but I can definitely send texts back, all right? I'm just not going to be answering the phone all day long, okay? Don't mind you guys hitting me up at all, but please just be courteous of my time. I don't even care what time it is, all right? Don't even care. All I ask is that you send a text first. If you're in my groups or if you know that you paid me already, you already know your number is saved, things like that, you can call me anytime. But if it's your first time hitting me up, please, guys, just send me a text. Help me out. Send me a text. All right. And then we'll build rapport. I'll see what it is that you want, what you need, if you even need me. And then we'll go from there. All right. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I wouldn't say a new trick. I wouldn't say a new hack, but it's new to this channel. So I'm going to say it's new. I wanted to let you guys know about the kind of new way to just really run your businesses, man. Just thrive out here. It's easy. All right, all you got to do is just continuously learn. Just learn. Make sure you're learning from the right sources. All right. Now, if you want to join my OnlyFans, where I have new content posting, I post way more than I post on YouTube because I don't think it'll be fair for me to not post there or post more here, right, for my free content. Even though it's a lot more in depth, I don't really give you guys all of the sauce, but I do give you guys enough to where I believe, you should really be making a good, decent amount of money. All right. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, if you're not complacent, if you're more so like me, and you don't really want to be just barely making ends meet or just starting off kind of slow, right? Because I'm a go-getter, right? I need to get it. I don't have time to be waiting. I ain't got time to be making this in next year, 2 years. You feel me? We got to do it today. All right. So it's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you again with another video. You guys tap in with me, man. I appreciate all the love, all the support. As always, let's get it.